Hi, it's Alexia from LPT Medical. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Caire Airsep Newlife Intensity 10 oxygen concentrator. So out of the box, you are going to receive your cannula. You'll also receive a 25-foot tubing attachment, so you have a little bit more room to move around. You will also receive your user manual, and then an attachment for the cannula. So now I'm going to show you how to set up your Newlife Intensity 10 for first time use. First, we are going to attach the swivel. Then we're going to plug the unit in. And then attach your cannula onto the swivel. Now it is ready to be turned on. Now I'm going to show you how to power on your Newlife Intensity 10. Simply flip this switch to power on, and then flip it back down to power it off. There is a fuse button to reset your unit in case there are any outages. This will keep track of how many hours are on your unit. This right here will keep track of what liter flow you are on. As you can see, it goes from a setting of 1 liter per minute all the way up to 10 liters per minute. Simply turn the dial wherever the ball is, will show you the liter flow. Over here are our warning symbols. If this is on, it means your O2 purity is low. This is a power supply issue, and this may be any other warnings. You can refer to your user manual for any issues. The Newlife Intensity 10 is 27.5 inches high, 14.5 inches in length, and 16.5 inches wide. The Airsep Newlife Intensity 10 weighs 58 pounds. It has oxygen settings from 1 to 10 liters per minute. That is only on a continuous flow. It is a stationary unit, so it is meant to be plugged in and staying in your home. It can be moved from room to room if you need to, as it is on wheels. It is great to be ran for 24 hours a day. It is very durable. Many patients use this with a CPAP or BiPAP when they sleep. This unit is also great because it has very high oxygen settings, as it does do up to 10 liters per minute continuous flow. If you want to see how the Newlife Intensity 10 compares to other home oxygen concentrators, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified when we post other videos like this. And be sure to check out our Facebook group where you can ask questions and interact with other oxygen users like yourself. And most importantly, if you're in the market for a home oxygen concentrator like this, be sure to check out our website, www.lptmedical.com, or call the number on your screen and speak with one of our respiratory specialists so we can help find the best oxygen concentrator for you.